Hello, everyone. My name is Shadi Yaghi. I'm a vascular neurologist at Brown University, and I'm the writing group chair of the scientific statement, Treatment and Outcome of Cervical Artery Dissection in Adults. One of the topics that's covered in the scientific statement is acute treatment in patients with cervical artery dissection. In patients who have an ischemic stroke or are suspected to have an ischemic stroke due to cervical artery dissection, who are otherwise eligible for thrombolysis, thrombolysis should be considered in these patients. But a very careful risk benefit discussion should be considered in patients who have intracranial extension of the dissection because this subgroup is thought to have an elevated risk of intracranial hemorrhage with thrombolysis. In addition, mechanical thrombectomy with or without stenting should be considered in patients who are eligible for this treatment.